important announcement to make, which is the most epic chip building exercise in history by far.
Have you ever wondered what it takes to power a civilization that lives across the stars? With a goal of 1 terawatt of AI capacity, Terafab plans to pump out 1,000 gigawatts of digital brainpower every single year. This isn't just a factory. It's a massive team-up between Tesla and SpaceX to build the chip forge of the future. What exactly is Terafab? At its simplest, Terafab is a giant semiconductor factory, but the scale is what makes it different. This project is expected to cost between $20 and $25 billion. To put that in perspective, that is more than the cost of many entire space programs. The plan is to build this facility in Austin, Texas, right near the existing Giga Texas factory. This location allows the teams from Tesla and xAI to work directly with the people making the hardware. Instead of designing a chip in California and waiting months for a factory in Asia to build it, everything happens in one spot. The main goal is to reach an output of 1 terawatt. 1 terawatt of AI compute capacity per year. This is a huge number. It doesn't mean the factory uses a terawatt of electricity to run its lights. It means the chips coming off the assembly line every year, when added together, have the power to process a terawatt's worth of AI data. A terawatt of compute is the massive amount of AI power required for a robotic future. Millions of self-driving cars and humanoid robots need more digital brains than we currently make. Every single action a machine takes consumes a tiny bit of this essential compute power. To meet this demand, one factory aims to match 70% of the world's current output alone. By processing 1 million wafers every month, it will churn out 200 billion advanced chips yearly. This scale ensures that the fuel for a galactic civilization never runs out as we expand. Traditional chip making is scattered across many companies, making the whole process slow and expensive. This project uses vertical integration to bring every single step together under one giant roof. Teams handle chip design, 2-nanometer logic, and high-bandwidth memory in the same building. Using advanced packaging, they stack chips in 3D to pack more power into smaller spaces. Having on-site testing means every part is verified immediately for use in robots or rockets. Doing everything internally cuts the time to build new tech from months down to just weeks. Becoming a galactic civilization means grabbing the sun's energy with giant solar panels floating out in space. Since people can't build things that big or fast enough, we need thousands of robots to do the heavy lifting. This factory builds the digital brains those robots need to turn us into a species that lives among the stars. Data centers on Earth are total energy hogs, but space has endless sun and natural cold to keep things running. By launching AI nodes into orbit, we can use solar power to think big without crushing the power grid back home. It's a smart way to keep the lights on for everyone while letting our technology grow to its full potential. Terafab doesn't exist in a vacuum. It is part of a giant ecosystem. Two of the biggest customers for these chips are the Optimus robot and the Starship rocket. Optimus robots need massive brains to do chores, and having a personal factory means they never have to wait in line for parts. Starship handles the heavy lifting in space, relying on radiation-hardened chips like the D3 series to survive the harsh environment. Does it seem like building robots and rockets in the same loop is the only way to reach the stars? Capturing the sun's energy with 100 million tons of solar panels in space is the ultimate goal. This creates a self-bootstrapping loop where chips, robots, and rockets build their own massive power source. The more we build, the faster we grow into a multi-planetary civilization that finally leaves Earth behind. Comparing this project to TSMC shows just how big it is, as it aims to match a huge part of their global output. Unlike other factories that sell to everyone, this is a captive fab making chips only for Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI. This focus allows for custom designs that are perfectly tuned for specific robots and satellites, rather than general use. This strategy creates a massive speed advantage. and makes the final hardware much more efficient for the tasks at hand. Building a factory for 2nm chips is one of the hardest things humans have ever attempted in history. It requires EUV machines that cost hundreds of millions and a clean room thousands of times cleaner than a hospital. Even a single speck of dust can ruin an entire batch of these incredibly tiny, complex electronic brains. Do you think a car and rocket company can actually master the world's most difficult manufacturing process?
Most companies avoid doing everything themselves because it is risky. If one part of the factory fails, the whole thing stops. By making logic, memory, and packaging in one place, Terafab is putting all its eggs in one basket. If there is a problem with the 2nm process, they can't just call another company to buy memory chips to make up for it. They have to fix it themselves. This is why many experts are skeptical. They believe it might be better to focus on one thing at a time. However, the counter-argument is that middlemen slow things down. By removing the need to ship parts between different companies and different countries, Terafab can iterate faster than anyone else. In the world of AI, speed is often more important than being perfect on the first try. Let's quickly look at what some well-known voices are saying about Terafab on social media. Elon Musk called Terafab the final missing piece, saying the future needs around 1 terawatt of AI compute, and that this factory could deliver it with continuous improvement. Tesla described Terafab as the largest chip facility ever, linking it directly to building a galactic civilization and even powering space infrastructure. SpaceX also supported the same idea, highlighting that Terafab will supply chips for robots, vehicles, and solar-powered AI satellites. Investor Steve Jurvetson shared concepts of AI satellites, pointing out how future systems could scale from kilowatts to megawatts, supported by Terafab. Across these discussions, one common point keeps repeating: compute power is the real bottleneck. Terafab is being positioned as the solution to unlock the next stage of AI, robotics, and space expansion. Terafab is the heart of a roadmap that moves us from a factory in Texas to a permanent presence across the solar system. It starts by securing AI chips for robots and self-driving cars, before using Starship to launch massive solar panels and satellites into orbit. These tools eventually build industrial bases on the moon, creating a loop that gathers materials for even more advanced space hardware. This forge is being built right now in Austin to provide the foundation for the next generation of explorers to live among the stars. Terafab is way more than just a factory. It's the foundation for a future where humanity finally moves beyond Earth. By building the brains for millions of robots and rockets, this project is turning science fiction into real hardware. This chip forge is a massive bet that AI and robotics are the true keys to unlocking the stars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.